tomorrow night, I can finally say it. We've been working on this for a little while. Tomorrow night at 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, I will be, cue up that applause for me. I will be hosting a live show for the Intercepts Facebook live stream. Oh, there it is behind us, the Intercept. Benjamin Dixon. Yep. This is what I've been alluding to for some time now. I've been talking about it and trying to keep it under wraps. And, it's just, I've been excited about it. I've been working with Glenn probably since December, just casual conversations about it, and then working with the team there. And we wanted to do a stream to really just kind of introduce me to their audience and, provide a service for them to bring this conversation, this discussion, the analysis, the interviews, all that we do here at the Progressive Army, to bring it to the Intercept. So starting tomorrow night, we're just going to do a show and we'll see how it goes. Let's see where it goes from there. It could go somewhere and it could go nowhere. But my money, good money is on it going somewhere anyway. All right. That being said, because my show is airing at 8 o'clock, that means Noah Changa, my sister from another mister, her show is going to take my regular on Wednesday night. She's going to take my regular 9 o'clock spot. So be sure that after you watch me on Facebook Live, to come on over to YouTube and watch The Way with Noah at 9 p.m. So that's it, man. That's what's going on. Special thanks to Brandon Sutton for covering me for last night. We were working on some technical things here, so we couldn't quite get to the show, but Brandon jumped in and was clutch as usual. So let me give you a preview of the show tomorrow. Tomorrow's show is going to be pretty dope, I think. I'm talking, so all of you who were here last week, we talked extensively with Lindsay O'Rourke from Boston College on regime change. And she has the data that demonstrates that regime change is a flawed strategy. Like before we, I don't care what type of regime change you're talking about, it's a flawed strategy. So we had a chance to speak with her again in a condensed format. So we just really hit you real hard, real fast with the data and the facts. So we're going to be talking with her tomorrow. Glenn Greenwald will be on. We're going to talk about whatever the hell Glenn wants to talk about. Maybe we'll pull something out the news, but Glenn could talk about anything. I was going to call out one other person, but I'm not going to call him out. I'm going to hit you in your DMs. You know who you are. I'm trying to get you on for tomorrow. So I have a lot of guests that are coming on tomorrow. We're going to be covering North Korea, regime change, the media's involvement in all of this, the complicity and being co-conspirators. We're covering that. We'll take a couple of key headlines from the news on tomorrow and cover those issues as well. We'll be talking about Erdogan and the Turkey referendum. So it's going to be the best of, it's going to be the mix of foreign policy, the mix of activism, Black Lives Matter, a mix of police brutality, a mix of domestic presidential politics and media critique. We're doing it all tomorrow on the Facebook Live channel of the Intercept, which I think the Intercept's a pretty cool outfit.
Yeah.
You like the Intercept?
You think?
You approve of the Intercept?
100%.
They're not establishment, right?
No, it's not a matter of establishment, actually. It's a matter of the way the thinking is.